Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss. How you guys doing on today? Good. So I want to do a super short review of a product that I have used once. So I just kind of want to give you guys my initial review, what my personal thoughts are about it initially. However, I will continue to use the product and probably provide you guys with a follow-up of what my bottom line thoughts are about the product. But initially, I want to start off by talking about the Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. So if you guys have been rocking with me for quite some time, you know that I am no stranger to Cantu hair products. I did enjoy using Cantu hair products. However, I don't use a lot of products now. I am extremely minimum about what I use. I really don't care for all the hair butters and things of that sort, because I've learned through having my hair locked for a temporary amount of time that my hair really didn't require a lot of products. However, here recently you may have seen me use quite a bit of hair products, and that is just simply because I am mainly gearing towards products that will help encourage hair growth and healthier hair growth. Okay, but you gotta wash your hair, so you gotta keep some shampoo, conditioner, and maybe a deep treatment mask as well, maybe a hot oil treatment here or there. So to me, those are bottom line products that you absolutely do need. So without further ado, let's jump into this Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. Yeah. Okay, before we carry on about today's video, if you're new tuning in, I want to give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be one of my tulips, okay? It's absolutely free, so join this Tulip Nation. Also hit that bell's notification so that you will be alerted of new videos that are released. Lastly, please show me some additional love and support and give this video a great big thumbs up. And lastly, y'all, I love to chit chat, so please leave your comments down below in the comment section. Yeah. All right, let's get this video popping. So the purpose of me purchasing this product is because I really have not had a proper deep treatment mask applied to my hair since I have gone back to being a loose natural. I've been wearing a lot of protective styles, precisely braids. I've been doing a lot of braids, and I know that my hair just needed just a little bit more of intense loving, so I decided to purchase this hair mask. And it was affordable, and it appeared to be something new I hadn't tried before, unless Cantu have just changed the look of their product line. So a little bit about this product. I like to work my way from the outer in. So a little bit about this. This is what it looks like. It is in a orange container now. This is a deep treatment mask. This is a 12 ounce. It has no parabens and no silicone. This product is for natural curls and coils, and I believe waves as well. The purpose of this product is to restore your hair to a healthier state and to strengthen your beautiful strands. This product does have an expiration, as you guys can see right here. It has a 12-month life. Also, you guys, let's save and preserve our universe. So this is recyclable, so please make sure that you recycle this container once you have completed using the products on the inside. And lastly, you guys, please make sure you keep this out of reach of little children. It smells wonderful, but you do not want your child or children to ingest this product. Okay, and please keep it out of your eyes because it's gonna burn the mess out of your eyes. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get this thing open. And this is what it looks like. But before we continue with what it looked like, what I don't like is it didn't have a seal over the top. You guys, some hair products do have that seal covering over the top. That is just something that I prefer because it just let me know no one has opened it and stuck their fingers in it and did Lord knows what. So I really, really, really wish Cantu had a seal covering over the top of this. Mine didn't have it. So this is what the product smell like. I'm sorry. Smell like. Well, since I've said smell like, you guys, I know you guys can't smell it through the camera, but let me just let you guys know that it smells absolutely amazing. It smells just like your normal Cantu product. They have not changed the scent. The scent is its original smell, so it smells very tropical-ish, or very tropically. I don't know, I probably made those words up, but it has that tropical scent to it. This is what it looked like. It is thick, you guys. It is thick. My hands just don't sink into it. It is very, very thick and creamy. This is what the product looked like, you guys. You know, I don't want to waste it. That's why I did not put a lot on my hand because everything is just going up. Yes, I caught it on sale for $8, but still expensive, you guys. So very thick, to give you an idea. Okay, now it's going to be very important that you only apply what you need. A little bit of this goes a long way, so you can get a lot of longevity out of this if you are not too hand heavy. Now if you have more hair, then it's going to require that you use more product. But if you got short hair, y'all, no need to go crazy with it. Okay, just use what you need. Just use enough of what you need for your hair. Do not go wild with this product. Per the directions, when you do apply this product to your hair, you want to allow it to sit on your hair for 30 minutes. So when I use this product, I did put it on my hair and then I put a bag or a shower cap over my head to allow the product to sit. Now what I didn't do is set under the dryer. I don't think that will hurt anything if you really wanted to penetrate those strands the way that you need. I do recommend that you do apply it to your hair, and if possible, apply some heat over it at least for the last 15 minutes of those 30 minutes. Just allow the product to really, really get into those strands and do what it is supposed to do for your hair in general. This product does intensely repair and replenish over processed damaged hair. It increased elasticity for reduced breakage. So like I mentioned to you guys before, I wasn't sure if it was new or just a different look, but I was able to confirm it's the same award-winning hair care. It's just a new look of the container, and I like the new look. The color jumps out at you, and that was one of the things that caught my eye in the store when I saw it. So don't be fooled by the look. It's still the same product on the inside. Now some of the ingredients that this product consists of is shea butter, castor oil, and jojoba oil. Also, you guys, it's very important that I mention to you that this is a cruelty-free product. So lastly, you guys, would this be something that I will purchase again? I'm not going to say that today because it's been quite some time since I've used a Cantu. Well, first of all, it's been a while since I used Cantu hair products. Secondly, I've never used Cantu deep treatment hair mask that I can think of. And if I have, this is probably years and years and years ago. If I have a video on it, it's been so long ago, I don't even remember it. So I'm not going to say if it's something that I would purchase again until I have used this product just a few more times. I am using it in between of my protective hairstyles because I know protective hairstyles such as braids at times can be a little harsh on your hair, especially when you wear them back to back like I've been doing here lately. So in between braids, I will follow up with you guys and let you know what my last thoughts and opinions are about this particular product. Remember, this was just a initial review to share with you guys this product that I have now begun to include in my hair regimen. If you have used Cantu products, tell me, what do you like about Cantu? What has it done for you lately? This concludes today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.